breast cancer, which is so much around at the moment. So we're gonna have to, you know what I mean, detox up our body as much as we can to reduce that inflammation. Salt. Some people might have said, oh, that's a whole heap of salt. Is that a lot of salt? Because your body needs salt. All right, guys. Yes. We're gonna put some water. All right. Right here. Okay. This is it. You want to do this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. That's the best time to do it. That's how it look. Frothy. Here it is. Every day for the next few days.